Good morning, Internet. Glenn Morris here from the Smart Energy Lab. And today, which is kind of like another day, I'm doing something different. And it's installing a super efficient heat pump here at Murramurra Co-op. Now that's where the Smart Energy Lab is based. What's super efficient about a heat pump? Well, it's actually a solar water heater. Now people think of anything that doesn't have solar panels can't be solar. But if you're using energy from the sun, which is heated, and then using that heated energy to transform something else to a more useful state, like water from cold to hot, that is a solar water heater. For those who don't know how solar water heating heat pumps work, it's the miracle of the refrigeration cycle. I'm not going to explain it here because I'm not a plumber, but basically a small amount of electrical input to compress a refrigerant can be used to harvest energy from a low-grade source like the atmosphere. I mean, today it's about 8 degrees here outside, so the air at 8 degrees actually is full of energy. Even though it feels cold, that energy can be transformed to a higher temperature using the refrigeration cycle. It's just a miracle to me how that works. So the measurement of energy in versus energy out, harvesting that solar energy in the air basically, is called a coefficient of performance. Now, heat pumps typically have a coefficient of performance in the realms of 3 to 4, which is great. It means the amount of electricity they use to heat water is actually really quite small. But the one we're looking at today, which is from Fisher & Paykel, has a COP, coefficient of performance, of 4.5. That's up there with some of the best. Now, there's a bit of a marketing term, COP, but actually it's science as well. So, yep, I'm pretty excited. And the outcome is that it's going to use very little electricity to heat water. And why is that a good thing? Well, we're actually replacing a very poor way of heating water, which is gas. Yes, it's time to get off the gas. So here at Murramurra Co-op, we've had this instantaneous gas water heater for many years, possibly decades, and it's running off bottle gas, which for those who are on bottle gas know it's a very expensive source of energy, and we're getting rid of it today and replacing it with a Fisher & Paykel heat pump. Let's go and check it out. Well, I'm here with Justin from Haier. Now, if you haven't heard of Haier, actually, they're the parent company for many name brands. To mention a few, like Fisher & Paykel, which I keep thinking of Fisher & Paykel because I'm a Kiwi, as you know, my favourite white goods brand from New Zealand, but they're actually part of a now global company, Haier. So, Justin, what are we going to do today?
So we're going to install one of our new heat pump units. So pretty exciting. We've launched our monoblock series onto the market, and we're here today to do an install and a bit of a review on the unit itself.
Let's go and check it out. It's a big box.
Yeah, it's massive.
So this big cardboard box is a heat pump. Now, tell me a bit about heat pump technology.
So it's just a really efficient way of heating your water. So where we've traditionally had gas and electric storage units, this is like the new innovation in storage hot water, where we're taking electric energy to power the unit and providing a really big increase in efficiency and a really smart way to go about heating your hot water to slash bills.
So it looks very much like, by the size of the box, a conventional water tank, but it's very tall. Why is it so tall?
So it's got a traditional tank on the bottom, as you would see with most storage hot water units, obviously. And on the top, we've got mounted more or less a split system condenser, evaporator and compressor up the top there, which is where we heat the water.
Right, so it's actually mixing two products together, a storage tank and a means of transferring, I call it solar energy, which is the air, into a high quality heat.
That's right, yeah, exactly right. So it's a really exciting way to do it, and a really sort of forward-thinking way of doing things as well. So sustainability and emissions-wise, it's really up there with some of the best products on the market.
Well, speaking of sustainability emissions, we're so excited to get off the gas here at Murramurra Co-op. Yep. We've been using bottle gas for decades, and boy, is it expensive.
Oh, yes. Yeah, incredibly expensive, and also harder and harder to get as well.
And the other thing is we have free solar energy here, which we have abundance of, and we just don't know what to do with it. So why not heat water?
Yeah, that's right. Our unit works perfectly with PV solar, and I noticed on the top of every building out here, mate, you got solar panels, so why not take advantage of them? Yep.